Mount San Jacinto College, Menifee campus presents the Tony Award-winning epic musical based on the 1913 true story of one of the most notorious, highly publicized trials in American history. With hauntingly beautiful music by Jason Robert Brown and a compelling book by Oscar winner Alfred Urey, this transformational story is a riveting murder mystery, a gripping courtroom drama, a moving love story, and certainly one of the most powerful theater works of our time. Don't miss this theater event playing for just one weekend at Old Town Temecula Community Theater, opening on October 26th. Get your tickets now. This is a musical you simply will never forget.